Bye-bye! Buddy! Go, Jay! Ay! Bawi!
We would like to acknowledge the presence of our councilor, the president of NIIT, Sir Vladimir Kayabas. Good morning, sir. Nabla, sunod to announcer tayo.
Nice one. Nice. Blue. Go, blue. Go, Jay. Go, Jay.
The Fight of the Champions is organized by the Sangguniang Kabataan of East Quirino Hill and Leonila Hill Barangays in partnership with the City Government of Baguio and NIIT School, of course, headed by Councilor Vladimir Kayabas. And we would like to thank our sponsors, our partners for this event, the Philippine Red Cross Baguio City Chapter, and the Baguio Central University student nurses for our medical team. Anchor Wheel, Kulibang, Philippine Society of Mechanical Engineer Cordillera, Capen Siguab, Cronats, the General Services Office, and the Baguio City Sports Office, and Ravenet Media Press.
And of the bout. O palampakan tayo po. Dito yung boksingero tayo.
Dapat natatingin ka na kanyang tawon sa pagbunas.
Result of bout number 6. Winner by unanimous decision from the red corner, Ivan Legaspi of Rojas National High School.